They woke up with the sun. Their flapping tents told them a lot about the day they would face on the fire lines.
Pretty erratic winds, they said.
Their suspicions were confirmed in the morning briefing.
Consider today being a blow-up condition all day long.
The basic word for today is wind, and then more wind, and changing directions on that wind.
The message is ominous, but until they see the actual flames, few here admit any sense of fear.
It kind of all depends on where we're going to be at on the fire, if we're going to be right on the hot line where the flames are glowing and blowing, or if we're going to be kind of cold trailing.
Oh, boss, we're leaving.
700 firefighters get ready to head to the fire line. They sharpen their tools and prepare for 12 to 16-hour shifts. They load up heavy backpacks, which add to the already weighty responsibility on their shoulders, fighting fires, protecting homes, saving lives.
Sounds pretty hectic up there right now, especially when the prime time to burn is about 11 to 2. Those probably kick up pretty good up there. That's when we'll have to keep our heads up.